Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through and here's a guide on how to activate Zelle in Wells Fargo app. So to get started with the step-by-step guide on how you can easily activate your Zelles in the Wells Fargo app. So the first thing to do is to open the Wells Fargo mobile app and log into your account using your sign-in credentials. Then once you're done with that, then tap pay and transfer from the bottom navigation bar, then select the pay and transfer button. Then after that, you have to select the Zelle. So tap Zelle to enter the Zelle section. Then accept terms and enroll. So if prompted, read and accept the Zelle transfer service abdomen and to activate your enrollment. And add an email or US mobile number to verify your contact method. And Zelle also requires the enrollment with a valid US email or phone number linked to your Wells Fargo account. Then set up a Zelle recipient, which is very optional. So to do this, tap send, then the plus icon to add a recipient by entering their emails or phone number or mobile number. Then this confirm enrollment and help streamline futures payment. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Leave a thumbs up the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.